Hi my love, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slay. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're old, thanks for always coming back. Yes, I know you guys miss my voice. I know. So I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I did a braided ponytail using Brazilian wool. Okay, you do not have to break the bank this Christmas. This can be your hairstyle. I mean, just throw it on and get going. Okay, you don't have to make your friends and family wait for you for hours in order for you to finish doing your hair. Okay, just do this simple hairstyle, and whatever length you want, you can make it shorter, longer, whatever length, and baby, you're out of the door. So I cut my Brazilian wool to my preferred length, then I stretch the tips because I didn't want the bulky. I attached some scrunchies to my Brazilian wool, which I'm going to attach to my mannequin head using some pins. You can use the pins they use for decoration, whatever pins you have that can hold your hair in place in order for you to braid it. Okay, so now I'm going to section the Brazilian wool to 3 sections so that I can braid easily. So after the sectioning, you can do your braids as easily as so. Okay, I wanted my braids to be puffy, bulky. That's the reason why my Brazilian wool, I use a lot of it. I use 2. So after you braid your ponytail, you're going to secure the end with some rubber band so that it doesn't unravel. Okay, you don't want your braid to unravel, like you're happy partying and your braid to unravel. That will be a disgrace of the year. So this is a detachable braid. You can use it anytime. You can keep it for as long as you want and use it anytime for your ponytail. Okay, so this is my beautiful self. I'm going to unravel my hair, and we're going to get straight into slicking the ponytail, baby. So this ponytail style I've been wanting to do, this is a very simple style, but you see that part, the pattern is the only problem with this ponytail. So you're going to take your time doing your pattern. Be as close as possible to the mirror so that you can see what you're doing. You don't want your part to be crooked. Okay, so the only thing that matters with this ponytail is the part. Okay, you want it to be as sweet and clear and aligning as possible. Okay, you see me going through several times, yes, because I wanted it to be aligning. Like, yeah, I wanted it to look exactly how I want it. I wanted that V shape because that's all this ponytail is about. You see that V, that's the style. Yeah, so you're going to section the hair into smaller sections while you slick down. You with natural hair, you cannot just pull your hair back and slick, honey. If you really want your hair to be slick, baby, you need to take your time. Put your hair in sections, apply the gel in section, slick down in section, and yeah, that's how your hair is going to slick down. Okay, in section, and you comb through as you go. So yeah, watch me as I do that. I slicked the back part of my hair without gel because I didn't want too much gel in my hair. So now I'm going to be applying gel to the front section of my hair, and I'm going to be using my favorite gel, which is the Shine and Jam gel. I've been loving this gel lately because it's not tacky, it's not heavy on your hair, it doesn't flake. Most importantly, it doesn't flake like some gels that I know that I don't want to mention name. Like if a gel flakes, one thing that pisses me off so much is a gel that flakes. As in, you'll be walking in town and somebody will be like, there is some white thing on your hair, can I help you clean it? And you're like, oh, I know, it's okay. You know, because it cannot be clean, it's because of your gel is flaking. I hate flaky gels a lot. Like, I hate it with all my heart. But you see this Shine and Jam? Oh my god, the best test. I just love it. Like I said, it's not heavy on your hair. It doesn't flake. It slicks down. It slicks down to perfection without putting too much effort. Like, I'm in love with this gel. I'm yet to find another gel that will replace this gel for me, because so far I'm in love with this one, period. This video is not sponsored by Shine and Jam. I'm just sharing my truthful experience with this gel, okay? But anyways, if Shine and Jam is watching this video, please send some fans, okay? Your girl needs some fans, okay? You need to sponsor me ASAP, because I'm in love with your product, okay? I'm in love, I'm obsessed, and I don't even know it. So yeah, this is the most important part of this ponytail, okay? You see that section in the middle? That is your headache. Most important part of this ponytail. In order for your line or your part, I don't know how you want to call it, is that you can call it part, your part or your line, for it not to close. You see this middle section of the ponytail, you have to take caution. You see, at this point I was trying to take the hair out of the line, because the line is actually, that's all this ponytail is about. You see that line, those two lines is all what this ponytail is about. So if the middle hair is covering the line, please make sure you put it in place before you secure your ponytail at the back, before you secure your hair at the back, okay? So yeah, so basically that is it, and I'm going to put my hair into 3-strand braids, and yeah, I'm going to do twist at the end of my hair, and then I'm going to wrap it around, you know, because I don't need all of that. I don't need all that length, so I'm going to wrap it around for it to look smaller in order for me to attach my ponytail. So yeah, just do the swoop to do and wrap it around and secure it. You see the same scrunchie that was used to secure earlier before I did the braids. I'm going to pull it and use it to secure everything together. I don't need to use another scrunchie. I don't want too much scrunchie on my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to further, you know, sleek with some rat tail comb. Then I do my edges. You know, this, if you've been watching my videos, you know, you probably know this is the only edges I do. You see, these are my favorite edges, and that's the only edges I do. In fact, I'm not a pro when it comes to baby hairs and edges, okay? This is all I do, and it suits my face so much. I love it. So yeah, so now it's time to attach your detachable braided ponytail. Like I said, this braided ponytail is detachable. You can do your ponytail at any time, and you just pick your braided ponytail and attach it, and you're good to go. No stress. You see, this December, don't stress yourself when it comes to hairstyle. As long as you have Adjoa, slay. You don't need to stress yourself, baby. And yeah, to further conceal the ponytail, make it look professional, because I mean, we are pros, baby. You're going to use some parts of your Brazilian wool to conceal the ponytail, okay? Conceal it with your hair and the ponytail. Yeah, you want to make it look like the hair is growing from your scalp, like the braids is actually your hair that you put into braid. That is just the illusion. That's all this concealing is about. Okay, you want to look like a pro. Okay, you don't want your own hair should be somewhere and your ponytail is somewhere. Baby, we don't do that here. We don't do that here. Okay, we are big girls and we do big girl hairstyle. You don't do learners. You don't do your hairstyle like you are a beginner, or you are, even though you're a beginner, but you don't have to show it. Like, do you have to tell everybody that you're a beginner? And voila, your girl is looking scrumptious. Okay, let me give you a little twerking there, even though I have no ass. Your girl is looking scrum. Imagine how I'll look after my makeup. Okay, the hair is looking tasty. Like, you can put the ponytail into a bun if that's what you want, like this, and baby, you're good to go. If you want the long braided ponytail, good to go. So that's it. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up and share to your friends so they can have an idea for their dirty December hairstyle this December. Okay.